Welcome to Exam Sale. In this script we walk through the Microsoft Cybersecurity Architect syllabus so you know exactly what to study and what skills you will demonstrate. This exam maps to 4 domains with exact weights. Design a zero-trust strategy and architecture at 30%. Evaluate governance, risk, compliance and security operations strategies at 25%. Design security for infrastructure at 25%. And design security for data and applications at 20%. The test is primarily conceptual and scenario-based, and each domain has a stated difficulty and recommended study time to help you plan your preparation. Design a zero-trust strategy and architecture is weighted at 30%, labeled hard, and estimated at 18 hours of focused learning with conceptual and scenario-based assessment. You will learn how to define a zero-trust model and design security boundaries that match business needs, including strategies for business continuity, disaster recovery, and ransomware protection. The domain also covers identity and access strategies, such as privileged access, conditional access, identity governance, decentralized identity, and directory synchronization, and how to integrate zero-trust principles into technical architectures. Evaluate governance, risk, compliance and security operations strategies counts for 25%, is medium difficulty, and recommends about 14 hours of study with conceptual and scenario tasks. Candidates will evaluate security operations approaches and design logging, monitoring, and SOAR strategies for hybrid and multi-cloud environments, along with incident response and management planning. This domain also covers regulatory compliance work, including interpreting requirements and evaluating compliance posture using Microsoft Purview, assessing security posture with Microsoft Defender for Cloud, and enforcing infrastructure compliance with Azure Policy. Design security for infrastructure is weighted at 25%, rated hard, and has an estimated 16 hours of study with conceptual and scenario-based assessment. You will design network security strategies including segmentation, edge protection, cloud-native controls, and hybrid network considerations while learning how to evaluate network security posture. The domain also focuses on endpoint security strategies, covering endpoint protection and detection and response, mobile device management, patching and updates, and methods to evaluate overall endpoint posture in enterprise environments. Design security for data and applications carries 20% of the exam, is medium difficulty, and recommends about 12 hours of focused learning with conceptual and scenario-based assessment. Expect to design data security strategies for discovery, classification, protection at rest and in transit, data loss prevention, and access controls while learning how to evaluate data security posture. For applications you will design controls across the application life cycle, secure secrets and keys, apply workload identity models, harden application platforms, and evaluate application security posture. Use the weighted breakdown and the stated topics to prioritize study time, focusing most on zero-trust architecture and the infrastructure domain while maintaining solid coverage of GRC and data and application security. Study the listed strategies, practice scenario-based design, and review Microsoft Purview, Defender for Cloud, Azure Policy, and identity controls to be ready for both conceptual questions and real-world scenarios.